Hello friends, welcome to my channel DJ's Josh Talk. Our mind and body has infinite ability. Our ability never restricts us. Our thoughts do. If we think we can, otherwise we can't. Today's my topic is know yourself. The most difficult thing in your life is to know yourself. I have faced this situation sometimes back when I've gone for my college interview. There I was asked what are your strengths and what are your weaknesses, and I was in shock what to say. Indeed, most of us have been facing the same problem. We know everything of all the issues, whatever is going around us, whatever is going in this country, but we don't know about ourselves. We never introspect ourselves. There is one good Bollywood dialogue up for it. अगर तुम किसी चीज को दिल से चाहो तो ये पूरी कायनात उसे तुमसे मिलाने में लग जाती है. So friends, what can we do to know ourselves? Very simple things are there to know ourselves. First, you should meditate early in the morning. You should be early beginners in the morning. You should write a journal. You should write a diary in the whole day, whatever you have done, so that you come to know that what good you are doing, what you need to change. Otherwise, you can do something creative, like you can do dance, you can sing, you can do some art, any hobby you can follow. And definitely in your friend circle, people will say, no, you are good at this thing, your teachers, your mentors, and anyone. So you will come to know, because many students, after completing their 10th, 12th or college, they don't know what to do, because they have not focused, they are only going in this flow. So it's the need of the hour to know ourselves, to know that who we are. To know ourselves help us to improve. It helps us to develop the skill that will help to grow in our life, in terms of career also. So today there is an activity for you, as we always post something for someone on their birthdays, on their anniversaries, or anywhere we go, we post a status. So today you have to post the status about yourself. You should post that I love myself, I am a good soul. As I also know that I have a good communication skills, and the day I have started this motivational series, I have got a lots of good audience. They have advised me to open this YouTube channel, and I am doing well. So that you can also do in your life. And for those people who think that I am doing something, wasting my time and all, and some people are there in our society, but for them I have certain lies. अगर नहीं चाहिए वो जो मेरी किस्मत में नहीं, और भीख मांगकर जीना मेरी फितरत में नहीं. मेरे बारे में अपनी सोच को तू बदल कर तो देख. एक बार YouTube पर मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर तो देख. मुझसे भी बुरे हैं लोग इस दुनिया में, एक बार घर से बाहर निकल कर तो देख. Hope all of you are doing well and stay home, stay safe. Thank you.